Alright, hello everybody. Tonight we have the Jumbo 8-ball assorted candle set from Legend Fireworks. These are some massive Roman candles. They have 4 different effects. So there is a color Peony, a color Coconut, Chrysanthemums, and Crackling effects. But I did notice the performance, it says it's the exact same thing on each one. So it'll be interesting to see if just maybe the performance label's wrong. So that's something we'll watch for. To help put it in perspective, the size of these, here's a normal 4-pack Roman candles. So as you can tell, there's a really big size difference between these. And there's fewer shots in the big ones than there are in the small ones. So it'll be interesting to see how these do, and see how they compare maybe to a very small artillery shell. So as soon as it gets dark, we'll light a couple of these off and see how they do.